Very happy to see you in my YouTube channel daily Sana with the new gadgets, organizers and inexpensive hacks for the kitchens. This mini gadget will fit for any small appliances. I ordered them from Amazon, IKEA or AliExpress and this has made my life so much easy. Please before beginning, subscribe. For everyone who wants to order these tools, I advise you to download the application on the phone and in the search box you can write the things you want, such as drawers organizer for example, and the application will suggest to you all the existing gadgets with the price. It's really simple and easy.
This is a stackable lunch container. It is perfect for salads and so much more. Just add your toppings and dressing to the top tray and then the salad stores perfectly underneath. It even comes with a fork so you can eat on the go. This toothbrush easily folds in half and is super compact. The cap protects the toothbrush whenever you're not using it. It is perfect for when you're on the go.
Finds. I found these genius microwave shelves that are completely collapsible and allow you to microwave 2 bowls or plates at one time. They come in a pack of 2 and are really easy to store away in a drawer. I also found this oversized acrylic cutting board that's non-slip and has an 1.5 inch lip to fit over the edge of your countertops or your dining table without damaging the surface. It's also stunning for displaying as a charcuterie board or using it as a protectant layer over the top of your table while kids are eating or doing crafts.
Amazon Kitchen Finds. This is a 4-in-1 cutting board. It has an aluminum coated side that can defrost fish and meat in a third of the time. It also has a knife sharpener and a garlic grater.
This mini drying rack is perfect for sponges, dishes, produce, and is heat resistant to use as a trivet. This snap-on can strainer works on almost any sized can and is dishwasher safe. And this egg separator snaps onto the side of your bowl, has a built-in egg cracker, and separates your eggs
designed to fit your favorite Scrub Daddy sponges, making it easier and more comfortable to scrub larger areas and dishes. The bottom unscrews to add the soap, and there's a button on the handle to dispense it. These tearaway microfiber towels are great for cleaning surfaces throughout your home. They're reusable and great for cleaning cars too. This duster sponge is a must for cleaning moldings and windowsills. It's able to get into all the little crevices, and all the dust collects on the sponge, which you can rinse and reuse over and over.
Please don't forget to like and share this video with friends for more gadgets.
Amazon bathroom must-haves. If you need extra space for hanging towels, these suction cup hooks are perfect. You simply place it where you want it and twist it to lock it in. They're really easy to install and they're not permanent, so they're perfect for apartments or dorms. They're surprisingly strong, don't leave any damage behind, and they're waterproof too. And lastly is this motion sensor trash can. It has a really sleek white and gold design, and when you place your hand over the motion sensor, it will open and close after 5 seconds. Amazon organization finds I love. This organizer is a great solution for storing your water bottles in your cabinet. It comes in 2 different sizes, 2-tier and 3-tier, and fits a variety of different sized water bottles.
This fruit basket bowl also doubles as a colander to wash your produce and comes in a few different colors. These mini swivel wheels peel and discreetly stick onto any kitchen appliance, allowing you to maximize kitchen counter space and protect it from scratches. And maximize kitchen cabinet space with this over-the-door lid organizer. Automatically stirs food in your pan, self-rotates, and has 3 speed options. This utensil rest is perfect for pots and pans, doubles as a steam releaser, and also works on the counter. And this gadget makes shredding meat easy and mess-free.
house, then this gadget will clean your windows, bathroom tiles, mirrors, TVs, and hardwood floors with a touch of a button. You simply turn on the robot, spray your preferred cleaning product, stick it to the surface you want clean, and turn it on using the remote control. It uses intense suction to stick to surfaces and will thoroughly clean them from top to bottom. The robot also has smart technology to detect window frames and other obstacles. It also comes with a safety rope to secure the robot in case you want to use it on high outside windows. It's the perfect gadget if you have hard to reach windows or if you live in a multi-level home. I have it linked for you guys on my Amazon storefront under the cleaning.
Amazon gift ideas under $20. The silicone mat is not only great for resting your hot styling tools, but it also doubles as a storage bag for traveling. This mini vacuum is perfect for getting crumbs off your countertops or other hard to reach areas like drawers. These checkered pouches come in a set of 2 and they're great for travel. These hand sanitizer sprays are a great little stocking stuffer, and you can even buy the matching keychain pouch to go with it. And last up is this travel case for your beauty sponge. So if you ever wondered why I'm always sharing these sponges, here's why I love them. When you put them in cold water, they become super firm, which is great for scrubbing difficult areas. And when you put them in warm water, they become super soft like a regular sponge. The smile on the sponge is designed for cleaning both sides of your utensils, and the eyes allow you to really grip the sponge, making it much easier to scrub or get into tight areas. Plus, you can throw them right in your dishwasher to sanitize them.
Get ready to say see you never to messy toothpaste tubes and hello to these squeeze me self-closing caps. You simply throw out the original cap and replace with one of these. So easy to use, and the best part, mess free every single time. Comes in a pack of 3 and great for both adults and kids. Like and follow for more Amazon finds.
Life a whole lot easier. If you hate not being able to easily grab things in the back of your fridge, then these clear rollout caddies are your solution. They come in different sizes to custom fit your fridge, have easy spinning wheels, and removable dividers to keep everything neat and organized. The handles on the front make it easy to grab and pull out the caddy to grab your favorite foods that are hard to reach. And this one is made to go under your sink, and it has a removable tray for dishwasher tabs that can be moved anywhere on the caddy to ensure it fits under your cupboard, and can easily be pulled out to access cleaning supplies, garbage bags, and so much more. They're both linked in my Amazon storefront, so go check them out. Follow for more. These are no ordinary stainless steel bowls. This award-winning 3-piece set has an anti-skid rubber base, and the bowls themselves
Amazon kitchen finds. If you like to bake but have a small kitchen, you may want to get the ceramic cookware set. It comes with 6 different non-stick baking pans, which easily stack up together and take up minimal space.
If you're dyeing Easter eggs, making deviled eggs for your next party, craving an egg salad sandwich, or just love omelets for breakfast, you need this rapid egg cooker. It quickly and easily cooks hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs perfectly every time. So no more standing at the stove and carefully timing how long to leave the eggs in. You just press start and it automatically turns off when the water evaporates and the cooking is complete.
Amazon bathroom must-have. If you're short on counter space, you need this toothbrush holder. Just place the holder down and your toothbrush will perfectly stand up, saving you a ton of counter space.
Amazon kitchen hack. Add more space to your kitchen cabinets with these cabinet door pan lid organizers. They have an easy tool-free installation. Simply remove the adhesive strip on the back and stick where needed. It's a perfect solution for mounting small or medium lids that are hard to reach in deep drawers while also creating more space in your cabinets. The set comes with 4 pot lid holders, and I'm going to have these linked for you guys in my Amazon storefront under the kitchen list. Make sure you follow for more.
Amazon favorites that are back in stock. First up are these organizers that fit perfectly in the corner of your counter if you're in need of some extra space. A container with multiple compartments for traveling with snacks, this drying rack that rolls over your sink, a garage organizer for all of your sports equipment, this reading light that slides over your book so you can read in the dark, silicone bottles for traveling with your liquid toiletries, a glass carafe for water on your nightstand, these towels that are great for cleaning your stainless steel appliances, and lastly, this set of mixing bowls that include attachments for grating and slicing.